Hey there. Today, let's talk about something often misinterpreted in relationships, what men truly want from women. Spoiler alert, it's not just about sex. Sure, sex is important, but there's so much more beneath the surface. First up, appreciation and recognition. Men, much like anyone else, thrive on acknowledgement. Society places immense pressure on men to succeed and provide, which can be incredibly taxing. When their efforts go unnoticed, it can lead to demotivation and a sense of apathy. Instead of focusing on what's lacking, it's crucial to recognize and praise the hard work and dedication men put into their lives. Even if they haven't climbed the career ladder, a simple thank you or I appreciate you can do wonders. This genuine appreciation boosts their morale and strengthens the emotional bond in the relationship. Next, we have understanding and support. Life is tough, and men often bear the burden of appearing strong and stoic. But beneath that exterior, they crave a safe space to express their vulnerabilities and fears without judgment. Women who offer a listening ear and an empathetic heart create a sanctuary for their partners. Sometimes men don't need a solution. They just need someone to listen and validate their feelings. This understanding deepens intimacy and trust, making the relationship much stronger. When a man feels understood and supported, he becomes his authentic self. This emotional security allows him to face life's challenges with greater resilience, knowing he has a loving partner by his side. Lastly, let's talk about shared growth and goals. For a relationship to thrive, it's essential to engage in mutual growth. Men desire partners who are committed to evolving both personally and together as a couple. Couples who share common interests, passions, and aspirations have a stronger foundation for a lasting bond. Whether it's engaging in activities together, setting shared goals, or supporting each other's individual pursuits, this mutual engagement strengthens the connection. When both partners are committed to growth, it brings excitement and vitality into the relationship. It prevents stagnation and fosters a dynamic where both individuals feel inspired to become the best versions of themselves. So, there you have it, appreciation, understanding, and shared growth. These elements are the true desires of men in a relationship. It's not just about sex, it's about building a deeper, more meaningful connection, man. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, take care.